losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose?
Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. My name is Jenny. So today's video guys, I'm going to be discussing with you guys on the things I'm going to be doing today. So it's a vlog of how I spent my day. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Please click on the subscribe button, like and share this video, okay? And also stay with us for valuable videos like this, okay? So today I'm going to start with my sewing tutorials. I have two sewing tutorials that I really want to actually make immediately so that I can post it on my other channel, my sewing channel, Jennifer Ogbodo TV. If you have not seen that channel, please go ahead and check it out, Jennifer Ogbodo TV. In that channel, we actually deal on sewing and cutting, okay, cutting and sewing, and also different fashion tips on that channel, okay. So like I said earlier, I have two videos that I'm going to be putting on that channel, okay. So I'm going to be uploading on that channel, so I have to quickly make them immediately. Then I decided to carry you along, especially those of you on this my channel. I want to carry you guys along on what I'm going to be doing today, okay. So I don't think I have much to do today, just on my sewing, after sewing, cooking, after cooking, eating. I don't think I really have much today, okay? So, but I will try my best to make it interesting. So I'm going to be taking you guys to the process of cleaning the house. You will clean with me. I hope you are ready. Please get your broom, get your packer, get your dustbin, get whatever you want to get for the cleaning. Okay, so let's go ahead and start.
Hello ladies and gentlemen, so this is another day in my life and I started this day with the washing of plates. I discovered that I have a lot of plates to wash today because I wanted to keep it later in the day when I'm done sewing, but when I saw this plate I said no, let me just do this first. Let me wash the plate first before doing every other thing before the sun comes out. And to my greatest surprise, as I was washing this plate, the sun came out and it was so hot. It was just crunching all over my body. My body was just scratching me. So but I just decided to wash it very fast even with the hot sun. So I was just trying to wash the plates very fast because you know dirty plate like this is not always good to stay in the house. So that's why I decided to do the dishes first. And most of you will be wondering why I'm washing my plate outside, and I know you've seen my children also washing plates outside. Is because water is not running in my kitchen, okay. So it's not running in my kitchen. Staying in the kitchen washing plates without water is just like, you know, stress. It's just like stressing yourself. So it's better for you to just come out and wash the plate outside. So that's why I normally do most of the dishes outside my house, especially in my compound like this, okay. So I know most of you will be wondering water is not running because we've not been having light over some years now. I don't know what is the problem. Nobody is saying anything concerning light issue. So guys, I'm done washing the plate. The only thing remaining now is to rinse it. And again, I know most of you will be wondering why I'm also doing the dishes. Is because school has resumed. My children has gone back to school. They are into boarding school, so they've gone back to school. All the chores in the house now is left for me. It's not easy to do all these chores, so most time I'll feel like just postponing it, then later I'll still be the one to do most of the chores. I have no choice than to do the chores in the house. So guys, I'm done with the plates. The next thing I'm going to do is to start sweeping the front of my house. The house chores in the house I like doing most is sweeping and mopping and also washing of plates. But you see, washing of clothes, I don't really like it at all. Whenever I have a lot of clothes to wash, I always think and think and think and think. I don't know if I'm the only one this is doing, but when it comes to washing of clothes, I don't really like washing clothes at all. But you see, plates, even if you bring like 100 plates, I can wash it. So my mom is in the house. What is that one house chores that you hate doing? Like whenever you think about it, you don't always feel happy. Your mood will just change instantly. What is that one chores, bestie, in the house house. So at this point, I'm done with the washing of the plate, and I'm also done with the sweeping of the outside. The next thing I decided to do is to take care of myself. So I started by brushing my teeth. So that is the first thing I'm going to do to take care of myself before doing any other thing. So I decided to just brush my teeth outside, because that is where I feel more comfortable. As I'm brushing, hair is touching me in my mouth, inside my nose, everywhere. So I'm just feeling comfortable brushing my teeth outside. Thank God I've already cooked early in the morning. So when I'm done brushing my teeth, I will just head over to my plate of food. So at this point, I'm done brushing my teeth, and the next thing I'm going to do is to dry this granite. So I remember there is a leftover granite I have not fried. So I decided to just take it outside for the sun to heat it so that it can dry properly. Okay, so that is why I took it outside to get it dried. Then after doing that, I said, no, I'm not going to be eating on this dirty parlor. So I decided to tidy the parlor first. I decided to take out some of the clothes and also sweep the floor and do one or two things in the parlor. Madam herself can take care of herself again by feeding herself. So I decided to eat my food because it's like a fuel that can give me strength, for the next work to do. If you're a fashion designer in the house, you should know that food is very, very important when it comes to this our job, because a lot of fashion designers forget to eat. Tailors, they forget to eat, they forget to take care of their self. They just depend on bread and mineral alone. For me, I take my time to eat. I eat what I want. I can't come and kill myself because I want to sew clothes. I have tutorials to make. Guys, let me enjoy my life. Be cool. Besties, learn to enjoy your life. Be cool. So guys, I'm done eating, and these are the fabrics I'm going to be using for today's tutorial. So as you can see, this is a picture of the tutorial we are going to start with. So I have my ashoke, and I also have my fabric. So I don't know if this ashoke will go well with this fabric. I hope so, because I've really looked around for color that will go with the ashoke, but I didn't see, so I decided to manage what I have.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need, what you need. We're broken, it's tragic, we're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it, and I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.
So bestie, it's another time to eat again. So I'm eating my lunch. I'm not a foodie, but I love eating food. Okay, so I'm not a foodie, but I love food so much. So I'm eating my lunch, and I'm also drinking my favorite water inside my favorite flask. I love this flask so much. Whenever I drink water from this flask, it reminds me of that mud they normally have in the village that always keeps their water very cold. That is how this flask is always cool whenever I drink water from it. So come and join me. Bring your spoon along and come and eat lunch with me, guys. So guys, now I'm done eating. I'm going back to work. So let's go back to work, okay? I think I'm strong now. I'm energetic. So I'll be going back to work. So I have to finish up with that tutorial that I'm doing so that I'll be able to upload it to my other channel. So if you are a fashion designer or you have interest in cutting and sewing of dresses, I would like you to go to my other channel, Jennifer Obodo TV. So with Jenny, so go ahead and check out that tutorial. So I'm going to just go ahead and continue with my work. Okay, time is running out. I have 2 tutorials to make, 2. So I've started with 1 and I have to continue so I can start up with the other tutorial.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes and face the glass. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need.
So guys, I'm almost done with the stitching of the dress. I hope it's coming out well. What do you think, guys? Do you think that the ashoke goes along with the material? I don't know. I don't know if it goes well with the Ankara fabric. So what do you think, guys? Let me know on the comment section. And this is the final look. You can see the final look on my dummy is looking absolutely beautiful. Do I like it? I don't know, but I think it came out well on me. So guys, look at me rocking it. So I'm definitely going to be wearing this to church, and I'm going to be putting on my heels to go alongside with this dress. This style is so free, it's very comfortable, it's not tight. You can adjust it however you want because it has a belt at the back that can actually snatch your waist, that can give it that fitting that you want at the waist area, and every other part is so free. The bust area, the hip area, everything is so free. I'm really loving myself on this dress. It's looking absolutely beautiful to me, but to you guys, I don't really know your mind. So what do you think? Let me know on the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Bye.